In D2L, there are several ways professors can control whether or not course materials are currently available to students. In this video, I'll discuss the simple toggle feature in content, which immediately determines a topic or module's visibility. Within the content area, D2L provides a simple on-off switch to determine whether or not your students can see items you've added to your course content. At the level of modules, it is a small eye icon toward the right of the module screen. Click it and it becomes a toggle. I click that toggle and D2L tells me that this module is now hidden from students. I see that here next to the toggle. I also see it in the module list under the table of contents on the left. Now that Module 1 is hidden, a student will not be able to see it in this course. I could make it visible again simply by using this toggle again. Now the student can see in the module once again. I can hide a topic by going to that topic's own page, for example, this PowerPoint presentation, scrolling toward the bottom, and here's the toggle for visibility. Practically, if I want to adjust the visibility on a set of topics within a module, it's probably faster to click Bulk Edit toward the top of the module, and then I can make the adjustment on each individual topic. Once I've made all the adjustments to visibility I'd like to make, I click Done Editing. It's important to point out, though, that Dropbox's quizzes and discussions built into or installed in modules do not inherit this hidden state from their parent module. So while they're hidden from students in content, they may still be visible in their own spaces available on the nav bar. So for example, I'll put Module 3 into a hidden state, and that will be reflected in the student's view in content. But the student could still find the discussion that's in Module 3 active in the discussions area. Let's see how to make sure that discussions, Dropboxes, and quizzes that are installed in content modules are also hidden if I want them to be so. If assignment collecting Dropboxes, discussion topics, or quizzes are built into your content modules, they also appear in their own areas accessible to you and your students. Any Dropbox, discussion, or quiz has a status in their own spaces that corresponds to their hidden or visible state here in content. So for example, if I make this Dropbox here hidden in the content area, it is also hidden to students in the Dropbox area. I can just as easily adjust that same visibility state by editing the Dropbox here in the Dropbox area. I click the drop-down menu caret, choose Edit Folder, and under Restrictions, I will see a Hide from Users option. I can check or uncheck it, and it operates just like the toggle over in Content. While Dropbox's discussions or quizzes involve these complications, files you upload to D2L in the content area do not. Since this Excel spreadsheet only appears to my students in this content module and nowhere else in D2L, it is unavailable to students because this module is in draft. A student in the content area of this course will not see Module 3 and therefore will not see any of the files that are in it and can go nowhere else in D2L to see those files. Recognize also that your course has a master start and end date available within the Course Offering Information page on the Edit Course Toolset page. If all your content is published in your course, its visibility is still governed by these dates. Students cannot access the inside of your course date before the start date or after the end date. These are set on all active courses by default at the beginning and end of semesters, but you as the instructor can change them if you'd like. See our video dealing with course start and end dates.